on it. It's my day 4, I think, or day 5. I'm not sure. Yesterday after I went to Nami Island, I went home for a bit to just take a bath. And then after that, I went... Okay, guess nyo kung saan, guys. I'm so happy I went to Itaewon. I wasn't able to take videos but I have a lot of pictures, pero di ko siya take dito sa DJI ko. This is my 3 other Nunas. They're super nice. Jowa. Went to different clubs and then we party. I did not drink though, cause I have to go home. And right now, it's currently 8 o'clock or 8:30, I think. So I'll be going to Busan. So, di ako nag-inom last night because I have to wake up early today to get ready to Busan. And then, right now I'm walking here. I came from Yeri Nuna's house. I just dropped my luggage there. They're so kind kasi they told me to just leave my luggage there so that I don't have to bring it all the way to Busan. I'm so relieved because I was thinking about it like the whole trip because my luggage is so heavy. I am here at Seoul Station waiting for my KTX going to Busan. This is what I got, this ticket. I bought it on Klook. It's worth I think around 5,000 or 4,000 pesos. But it's back and forth. Also bought my daily dose of coffee from Dunkin'. And yeah, so my train will arrive at will leave at 9:58. It's currently 9:43. So right now I'm just charging my phone. There, Seoul Station. There. I'm here at my first stop. Dito ako dumiretso before going to my Airbnb para I have more time to spare and spend for this day. Pero guess where I'm at, guys? Ito lang naman! I'm here. This is the coffee shop of Jimin's dad. Grabe. Yay! Finally, meron ulit ako na take off from my bucket list. Maraming letters for Jimin, flowers for Jimin, and for the other BTS as well. Diba? So this is what it looks like inside. Oh, you can also buy merch here. I joke, I'm not even sure if merch. Ah, yeah, it is. Meron dito yung mga selection of pastries. This is for your order. It's so big. You can't contain my happiness again right now. Like, I've been an ARMY since the pandemic lang. But I'm so emotional right now kasi literally BTS saved me during the quarantine. Like, with the heartbreak and like with the heartbreak that I've been through during that time, and of course it kept me sane kasi online training namin nakakabagot, tapos that's like BTS songs are the only things that made me so happy. OA na, wag na OA na. But like imagine nyo guys yung kasayahan ko pag nakita ko pa sila in person, di ba? Anyway, this is what I ordered. I ordered this one. This is I think cheese toast and then peach tea. I opt to order this one kasi I just drank coffee earlier before going here. I just got here to my Busan Airbnb. Okay, medyo nawala yung pagka-bad trip ko kasi ang ganda ng Airbnb ko, guys. Check it out. It's so nice. Ooh. This is the CR. It's so big. I love it. It's so nice, right? Oh, see? May pa-mirror pa. And then, this is the dining table, I would say. And then there's a sala, mini sala. Complete siya. Complete. And then, there's a TV. Ito yung bed ko. It's so big. It's good for 4 people, but ako lang nandito. And then this is the view. Oh. There. And I think the beach is super near here. So, that's what I might do after I freshen up. And then, if it's not raining anymore. So, yeah. Praying na it won't rain until tomorrow, until I go home, actually. Pero especially today and tomorrow because it's my first time in Busan. I'm just gonna stay here for 2 days. So, sana naman po, please lang. Hi guys, so I decided to just go out and like check around kasi I feel like the rain's not gonna stop anytime soon. So, baka wala akong magawa dito. I'm just gonna stay indoors. Just decided to go out and look at the view. So nice. This is the food. I haven't tasted this, but it looks like mashta. Good morning, everyone. It's my last day in Busan. It's that quick. So sad because I wasn't able to go around so much. But today, that was yesterday though, but today, I will make the most out of it. I will try. Hindi ako mapipigilan ng weather na to. So I decided not to swim. Because number one, it's cold. And I think it would be a hassle for me if I go back sa BNB ng basa-basa and like maraming sand. And aside from that, parang wala masyado nag-swimming kasi I feel like it's also the weather. Ang lakas din ng waves. So I'm scared. Baka maging memorya na talaga tayo. Mapapasabi yung mga tao, naku yan si Lance, mabait yan. Okay. Okay talaga. I'm currently here in Gamcheon Village something. Gamcheon Culture Village. That's it. So nice. Actually parang Marikina lang, but like it's ingay. It's an upgraded version. That's joke lang. But like look at the view. See? So nice. I'm gonna walk around and check if there are cute cafes here. Oh, I've seen one earlier, and then now I'm seeing another. And then ang alam ko, meron din dito mga BTS inspired na coffee shop. So that I'm going. I just love how my background looks like. So nice. Umaraw today. Like earlier, it was so rainy. It was drizzling a lot. And then it was super gloomy. But now, thank you, Mr. Sun, for showing up. Kapoy. Kapoy man, good. It's a real hike here, guys. So, if you're planning to go here, oh my god, it's so high. Make sure to wear comfy shoes. Training ba to? Grabe ang hingal. Grabe Grabe, ang pagod. Umpo muna ako. Para ako to sa uban. Whew. And look guys, I found, finally, I found the Jim Cook mural. Woo, so nice. Yay! Wala hewo. Ano to? They also have this mural. It's so nice. BTS. So this is the whole view of the whole village. Ooh. Miss nila ako guys for the video call. Video. Okay, update guys. Two other persons, Korean persons, approached me and they talked to me in Korean. But continue the camera. There. And then they asked me if I was Korean again, but I'm not. How I wish. And then we had a little talk. I just think that maybe it's the way I dress. Maybe that's why they thought that I'm Korean. But yeah. It's a compliment though for me. I guess that's the goal. Oh, I came from Hongdae. I just shopped for a bit. Dalawa lang naman nabili ko because medyo wala akong nahanap na maganda. And now I'm in Han River in Yeouido Park. I'm not sure if I pronounce it correctly. But I bought ramen and one Sprite. Sorry coach, ngayon lang. And then I'm waiting for my chicken to be cooked. And then I'll go there as I'm gonna eat. Because that's the goal. Diba? Very K-drama lang. Guys, look where I'm at. This is Han River. And then look what I'm doing. I'm eating. Eee! I have ramen, chicken, and then this is chicken radish, I think. And then Sprite. This is the K-drama drink. Kilig yarn. One of the best experiences, I swear. I feel like I'm gonna be super masasepangs when I leave Korea. Good morning everyone. It's my last day in Korea and it's starting to kick in. Ang drama. But like, totoo. Oh, talaga. Today I will be going to Suwon. It's also outside of Seoul. It's like an hour away from here. Cause I want to see the different filming locations of Our Beloved Summer, Extraordinary Attorney Woo, if I'm correct, and then Lovely Runner. Annyeong. So I'm currently in Suwon already, and now my first stop is the oh my god, I forgot. Yosong Fortress. Yosong Fortress. I'm sorry. Tama ba? Oh, I think I'm correct. So this is my first stop. It's so nice. Cause look. Oh, see. So habang naglalakad ako here, like sa fortress, may nakita ako. Nakita ko na siya! OA talaga. Ba't ganun? Tingnan nyo ha, tingnan nyo. Sa mga K-drama lovers dyan, I know you would immediately know what this is. Yeah! Wait, let me zoom in. Ooh! Ah! I'll go there. Let's go our beloved summer. That's the house of Cho Sik. I'm not sure if I pronounce it correctly, but yeah, you get what I mean. Let's go! Okay guys, ito na. Wala pa nga, kinikilig na agad ako. Ang ganda. Tingnan nyo ha. Yay! Wow! They just filmed the outside part of it, but like, this is the house. Wala, ang ganda. Kinikilig na naman ako. It's small, but I feel like malaki siya sa loob. De, joke lang, maliit lang siya. But like, ganda. Kilig. Iyo. Ganda, bagay yung damit ko sa background. GGSS na naman. Hi guys, so may nakasama ko today. Hi! This is Arian from Lipa, Batangas. Nakita ko siya dito kasi mag-isa lang siya. Siyempre, as an extrovert, nilapitan ko agad siya.
Ako introvert.
Ay, introvert ako. Lapit ka unti. Yan.
Hello! Hello! Oh my God!
That's the Gimba place.
Nung tatay niya,
Oo.
ni Atty. Wu. Hindi ka lakad siya lagi dyan.
Diba? Pababa. Tapos yung lakad pa niya, indoor restaurant talaga yan.
Kaso wala titinda ng gimba.
Oo nga eh. Hala, ang galing. And then, just beside that ate, yun yung house nila. Oo, sa likod. So, puntahan din natin.
Wow!
So, this is the Gimba place.
Parang may tao sa loob.
Oo.
Hindi siya abando kagaya nung sa
Hindi.
bahay ni
Diyan siya lumalabas. Tapos hahabulin siya ng tatay niya para magbigay ng food. Pero hindi niya tatanggapin.
Ayaw niya sa sa
Diba? Ayaw na niya. Second K-drama filming location, Lovely Runner. Hindi ko pa siya napapanood kasi wala pa siya sa Netflix, diba? August 1, I'm gonna watch it. Agad-agad. Pero syempre, dahil advance tayo mag-isip, mauna tayo sa picture kaya di ko pa napapanood. So, dito daw nakatira yung lead character there. And this is the house. It's actually a coffee shop inside. I'm not sure if it's open. But I think it is because it's 11 and they open at 10:30. So, not sure lang if we can go in. Naglagay siya ng sign kasi siguro sobrang daming tao palagi dito. No, take pictures outside. And then, this is where they always walk. Yan, may mga murals na magaganda. I think this is very iconic kapag napanood ko na yung Lovely Runner. Yay! Super ganda here, guys. It's very peaceful. This is still the palace. It's 5.5 kilometers with S. Tinakit namin going to the tunnel. Pagod. The things we do for K-drama. But that's the... I think dun yung tunnel and then that's the location where Namjoon tied the shoelace of the girl. Oh yeah, that's it. Dito nga ate. Wow! It's this one.
네 생각으로 힘이 나네 방금 전에 널 본 것처럼 유난히 널 닮
Guess niyo kung saan to. Ito yung bahay sa our beloved summer. Ito niya hinatid, diba? Hinatid siya. Kaso, inuulan kami. Ayaw kami pa-picturein. But yeah, this is it. It's so good. Ang cute. May nakatira inside. I feel like it's a house talaga. But it's so nice, oh. Dito naghihintay sila. Cho Sik. Yan po.
So tell me, why you coming?
After the last filming location, we went to a coffee shop. Malapit lang, like baba lang talaga niya. Kasi it's raining. So, dito pa namin papatila ng ulan. So, I ordered this one. Qigong. This one, photo cards of the K-drama. And then, meron din sila dito nung this one. So this is the cafe. It's right pagbaba nyo from the house of the girl. I forgot the name. This is the coffee shop. And then there, ito yung daan going to the house. Yan, pag ganun nyo. Then pagbaba nyo, ito na agad siya. And then you should try their food and drink. It's masarap. Hi guys, so I'm Cafe Pokpo. It's not near Hongdae. It's a scam. You have to take a bus ride about 30 minutes going here and look at the view. Oh, diba? It's so freaking nice. So I'm gonna meet some of my friends that I just knew here also in Korea. I think nandito sila somewhere. Hi guys. I have friends from all over the world. Name yourselves.
States, but my family's half Filipino, so.
Yay! Let's go Philippines!
I'm Victor. I'm from New Jersey, United States.
I'm Kira. This is my second appearance.
Thank you.
From Hawaii.
Yay! Nice to meet you
We're
guys.
friends from Yonsei University.
Hi guys, so it's currently 4:48 in the morning and I'm grabbing yung eyes ko because I was kinda emotional. Hindi. Antok lang talaga ako guys. Because it's so early and I'm about to leave my Airbnb na. So I'm gonna go to the airport because that's it for my solo Korea trip. Grabe yung sabog pa rin. Thanks for watching guys and I hope you guys will watch my next vlog very very soon and I hope you enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, and comment what you want me to do next. Wow, kala mo talaga magagawa agad. Anyway, ciao dyan. Good night yun, huy! Okay, bye! Annyeong!